Hey guys. All right. So we have a couple new things that we've put into the order flow package and bunch of updates, which I wanted to show you. One of the things that we've added is a liquidity visualizer. This allows you to see, it's kind of like a Bookmap where it shows active orders over specific time frames, and it's configurable. You can see you could see the contract sizes, right? Oh, this is for MNQ. And we like to use it for general general idea of where the market's going based on orders that have been filled, and also liquidity pockets, right? So once they hit them, what's the reaction, right? Like you can see here, right? What's the reaction when it hits an actual level? And this will store up to about, 5 to 10 gigs of data if you want to see where all the liquidity is historically. We recommend using it for day trading. It's not a full Bookmap replacement, as Bookmap will store hundreds and hundreds of gigs of data, right? So right here we have max storage, right? So we're only storing the max of a gig of data as far as on the liquidity, but you can store all kinds of information if you so choose. I'm recording the close right now of the New York session on July 10th. And then another thing that we've added is we've added a chart trader, which you can see here. It's in beta right now. This is for all order flow indicator instances. So this is a 5-minute footprint. This is a 1 minute. And you'll be able to see this full trader. And I just want to give kind of a couple demonstrations of why we need this. We have a few different ways of doing trade management. We'll try a sim account so you can kind of get an idea. So let's say we're by 3 contracts. I'm going to do auto break even. So this will place a trade with a stop limit, right? And you'll go to auto break even after $50 of profit per contract, right? We've added a hotkeys menu. So you can press, right now we've got couple keys configured. So buy, and you can record your own keys, sell market, close position, reverse, right, close half. Just makes it nice and easy to get in and out of positions, right? So if I wanted to buy, I press B, right, I do a quick scalp, close, right? And I like to use this in tandem with the liquidity visualizer. If I see big orders coming in, and I usually enable on the trade buggles, I usually enable all of them because many times you'll get a fill, you'll get a large fill, but it will be a rapid succession of orders. If you're familiar with icebergs, right? So I like to enable all of them, and I can generally see what's going on with the active book, right? The book mirrors a lot of what the inline DOM has, but much more, I would say, in the Bookmap style, right? And so, yeah, so this is the general look. This is an MNQ. So right here, this is a This is our own, we're drawing this, right? This is not the chart trader from Ninja, because if we were to create this as an inline trader, we'd have a couple problems. We'd have a couple problems with doing the trade management, right? So we really wanted to get some of the trade management, especially things like auto trail, via an EMA. Ninja usually has like a little thing you can attach to indicator, but we want to provide similar, like just an easy to use interface that allows you to quickly close trades, etc. So that closed that trade. Now we'll go to auto trail. This has many different options. It has a bar trail. Oh, what happened there? Bar. So this will look at a certain amount of bars, right? So it'll trail by bars on whatever trader launched it. So this is a 1 minute time frame. So it's going to trail based on bars. We have an 3-scap, which is triggers. So you could take as, like, this is in use for a huge momentum spike, where you can set it to trigger after $32 in profit. It will then auto scale the stop loss and trigger after 64, etc. And you can increase the size or, reduce it depending on your risk tolerance. Then we got some presets for MQ, CLGC, etc. But we might be able to use it here. Let's see if we can get, let's see if this will work with the auto trail. Stop loss. So it's $46 stop. Yeah, that might be a little tight. We'll see what happens. Yes, so that's that. We have the account management, so you can change the masking if you don't want users to see your account numbers. So simple little mask aliases. We've got a standard pill size, so you can increase the tiny, however you want to do it. Position key and L. We've got a pill size, so you can actually change the layout of the, however you want to configure it. We've got count aliases. We've got anchoring to the chart, and sounds. And we've got another trail type, which is based on an EMA. So if you wanted to trail based on the EMA 20 period, it'll place the stop loss here and auto trail it. So I like to do, if I want to do quick scalps, like especially from a range, the visualizer is very nice for that. And you have confirmed buy log. You can add a repair stop loss. So let's say for some reason your trade loses its stop versus bad clicks. This will attempt to repair the active trade. And you can adjust the line extension. So if I want to move it over here, right? So that's some of the new stuff. This will trail as you, if you're in an active position and you enable trade management, right? It will automatically adjust the current order. Yeah, it'll adjust the current order for that particular order that's being configured with the chart trader, right? So this is going to auto trail the 20 period with a little buffer, right? So it's going to just, as price moves down, it'll trail it. I've got another type, which is a runner. And this is for positions that are even, where you have 4 contracts, 2 contracts, and okay, there you go. Doesn't close. So if you have a concept of 2 contracts and you want to sell half, so as soon as your profit on 1 contract eats your original stop loss of 1 contract, the trade pays for itself. So it's a concept of risk management where you can get, quote unquote, a free trade. So if I have 2 contracts, the idea is that with runner, it's going to give you a, based on your stop, right? So if your stop's very wide, then the trade will pay for itself. You know, price has to move greater, right? So we might be able to demonstrate this, but it's going to scale out. As soon as it hits this profit target, it should sell that 1 contract and close half. We've also got a right click menu, so you can, easy access to close half, reverse position, I catch a stop, etc. Right? So this is after market close when I'm recording this, so I don't expect too much price movement. It's been pretty choppy Friday, but yeah, so this gives you kind of a basic walkthrough of the new features. The trader is in beta, so please test on a sim count. We're not responsible for any financial loss with it. Test on a sim account to make sure that, it works for you first before actually committing actual money to it. We're still working out bugs so far. We found a certain degree of stability, but when building one of these, there are quite a few situations that you can get into, right? Yeah. So let me know if any questions about this. We're continuing to fix and add more features. It's available to all FIOrderFlow customers now. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and have a great weekend. And we offer a free trial. You'll get 5 trading days if you want to use it to, see if you like it. If you don't, it's fine. Yeah. All right. Oh, we might get a scale. We'll see. All right, I'll close it here. And we'll close half. There you go. Closed half position. Stop. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend.